detection unit, its disposal squad and fire services teams were spanned out across Delhi NCR schools this morning. It seems emails were received by some school as early as last evening. The email chain, it seems, started from DPS in Dwarka and soon it spread like wildfire. More than 50 schools were targeted by what turned out to be a hoax bomb alert. The schools that were targeted were in Noida, were in Dwarka, were in Central Delhi, South Delhi. Some of the top schools of Delhi were also targeted by this hoax email. Police investigation seems to suggest that all these emails originated from one IP address and a similar kind of email was sent. So the same text, same font size, that seems to be the preliminary suspicion. So they are trying to ascertain as to who really was responsible for spreading this kind of panic in Delhi NCR. You can see how students are being rushed out of their schools very early, and this kind of panic is something that the Delhi police is trying to ascertain as to who really is responsible, and the probe will be carried out.
This is an unusual day in the national capital as more than 60 schools here in the city have received bomb threats via calls or emails. I'm standing outside this DTA senior secondary school that is on Mandir Marg, and there you see the parents. These parents have received message from the school administration saying that you need to come to school and take your children back home. They still don't know as to what is the reason, but we are assuming that possibly the same threat is there because more than 60 schools, we have been informed and told by Delhi Fire Services, have received such call. I'll try to talk to some parents as well. मैम, आप लोगों को भी मैसेज आया था क्या?
टीचर हूँ सर।
अच्छा मैम, क्या हुआ है? कुछ बॉम्ब थ्रेट वगैरह कोई कॉल या ईमेल आया है?
नहीं, जल्दी से जल्दी वैकेट करे जाए वो बताया है।
नहीं तो किसके कहने पे मैम? ऊपर से बोला गया है, पुलिस से बोला गया है, या क्या कारण है इसका?
हमें
All right. So they are saying that they have been instructed that this need to be vacated as soon as possible. And I'll try to show you some scenes where you are seeing these students, where teachers are coordinating with the bus drivers and also the van drivers and also the parents, because parents have received this message that they need to come to school and take their kids back home. I'll try to talk to some. मैम, आपका बच्चा पढ़ता है यहाँ स्कूल में?
हाँ जी,
छोटी बच्ची पढ़ती है, तो आपको भी मैसेज आया था?
हाँ जी।
क्या मैसेज था मैम, अगर हमें बता पाएं?
जल्द से जल्द बच्चे को पिक कर दीजिए आप।
कोई कारण बताया मैम?
नहीं, कोई रीजन नहीं।
कोई रीजन नहीं बताया। ऐसा होता है इन जनरल कि
फर्स्ट टाइम है?
फर्स्ट टाइम
एकदम से।
खबरों में देखा, कुछ खबर भी चल रही है
ऐसा? हाँ, न्यूज में तो आ ही रहा है, बट उसके बाद ही सडनली मैसेज आया कि बच्चों को जितना हो सके जल्दी पिक कर लीजिए।
जल्दी हो सके उतना पिक कर लें। सर, आप भी बच्चे को लेने आए? ओके, आप ज्वाइनिंग के लिए आए। आई ट्राई टू टॉक टू सम मोर पीपल। ये भाई साहब हैं, स्टाफ से हैं। सर, क्यों खाली कराया जा रहा है, बताएंगे हमें? अंदर पूछ ले। ऑलराइट, वंस अगेन इफ आई कैन शो यू द विजुअल्स, देयर यू सी द टीचर्स एंड द पेरेंट्स। ये भाई साहब बच्चे को लेने आए। सर, बच्चे को ले लिया, मिल गए?
हाँ जी, मिल गए।
अच्छा, और क्या मैसेज था, अगर बता पाए हमें? मैसेज दिखा भी,
पिक करना है, खाली
बच्चों को पिक करना है। कुछ कारण बताया गया क्यों हो रहा है? कोई रीजन नहीं। अच्छा, दिल्ली में 60 से ज्यादा स्कूलों को बॉम्ब थ्रेट के कॉल और ईमेल्स आए हैं, उसके बारे में आपको जानकारी?
हमारे पे कोई नहीं आया।
नहीं, मतलब स्कूल्स को आए, इसलिए स्कूल्स खाली भी कराए गए हैं। मैं आपको खबर बता रहा हूँ, तो क्या उससे जुड़ा हुआ मामला तो नहीं है? मे बी। All right, so there is no clarity, and in fact these parents have received a message from the school administration saying that you need to come to the school and take your children back home. This is one school that is in Central Delhi, and we have been told that in every district we have 5 to 6 schools where schools have received the messages and calls of a bomb threat, and soon after that, in coordination with district police, in coordination with Delhi police, school administration is basically vacating the building and asking parents and children to vacate the premise as soon as possible.